Okay, it's recording. Let's do this.
Little old tractor.
Yeah! I have no clue what the fuck I'm doing. Dude. Oh man, I got a tin can with a gun. This is great. The other one was all boxy and shit, and this one has just like... Oh man, I feel like I should open it up and get beans. Oh, this is gonna be great. This is gonna be great. And watch, I just insta-die. Oh, there you are. There you are. Okay. I'm going right the fuck over there.
Move out.
What the fuck? Yours isn't a tin can? What is this bullshit?
That was the upgraded turret.
You cheater! You cheater! You cheat.
Okay.
Oh, I'm so slow.
Also the upgraded engine.
God damn it!
And
I hate
trucks.
you.
And
Can I hurt you if I shoot you?
Yes.
I am so tempted right now. You are like lit up green. Oh my god. That could have been your ass. Oh, what? What? Oh, that's how it is, huh?
You missed.
Wait, what?
You missed.
Did I miss again?
No, but you didn't do any damage. Oh wow! Good damage.
Frick! I have orange now. This is all your fault.
I have orange too.
Where did I hit?
My track.
Oh my god, Frame. Why do you hate me, Fraps?
Dead Reynolds.
This tank is so loud!
Sure. You've never heard Artie fire.
That's better. Wow, that is a sturdy lamppost. Where the fuck are we?
I don't know where you are.
No, like, where is this village thing supposed to be?
This is Himmelsdorf.
By the stupid German name, I assume we're in Germany? I am so racist.
Don't do that. Court might hear you.
Have I actually accomplished anything yet?
Nope.
I don't think so. Oh crap. I gotta do something. What's the most balls out thing I can do now?
What?
What's the ballsiest thing I can think of?
Go cap.
What's that mean?
Capture
right.
the flag.
Right. I'm so fucking slow, oh my god.
Yes, you are.
There.
Hmm.
Panzerkampfwagen.
Panzer.
That's what it is. Kampfwagen, that's the actual pronunciation.
Panzer.
It's not just Panzer, but I'm saying the actual pronunciation.
It's Panzer.
Motherfucker, no it's not, so anyway.
It's a Panzer!
What the fuck? It just kinda flopped on the ground.
Because you can't aim more shit.
Do you have to, like, aim high? Is that a thing?
No.
So you just aim on it, but why did it hit, like, the ground in front of me instead?
They're inaccurate.
Oh, you could have brought that up before! Jesus Christ! Is there a dance feature? I want to dance. I'm doing the tank dance. It's very slowly rotating your turret for no reason. Celebratory gunshot.
Do so.
So I think we won.
Yes, we did.
Pretty handily. Bam!
You didn't do a thing, but you won.
I won by being there. Which is like playing Sona, so it fits me.
Somehow I got 1,000 experience out of that. I'm happy.
Oh shit, it's still recording, sweet. Oh, there's so many windows and just things. Oh, I almost have enough for that one tank that did things. Ready for battle.
Okay.
Ready.
Battle.
Dun 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 dun. I'll play my own music on this shit. I'm boss. Oh hey, it's a ring. My chin's just resting on my drink right now. Oh, have I played this one already?
Probably.
I think. How many maps are there?
A bunch.
Why is it 30 seconds? What are we trying to do in this 30 seconds?
Wait.
Wait for everyone to load.
But people have already loaded. That
There's
doesn't
still
make
3
sense.
people that haven't connected.
Oh. I only have 59 rounds left. That's gay.
Oh yeah, because you need to load rounds between games.
I don't know how to do that. Oh my god, I am booking! Oh, whoa! Holy
No, you're not.
shit! I'm moving it like 20. No, now I'm not. I
I'm
was
going as
moving it
fast
like
as you, and I'm going
20.
uphill.
I was going like 20, man. I was fucking booking. -4. 5. So fast. So fast. Someone's messaging me. But I'm too lazy to go look.
Did Epic finally finish his shit?
I don't know. No, it's on MSN. He doesn't message me on MSN. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ!
Yeah, I'm on break.
Ah! Ah, this is intense!
I died.
I'm getting wrecked. Where did death come from?
Everywhere.
What happened? Why?
Magnets.
Why? What? Why?
Because you failed.
Damn it! That fire's dangerous. Someone should put it out. Oh right, we're all dead. Fuck. Okay.